I didn't exactly plan on becoming a happy hempster, but here we are. You know what's so cool about house shopping, besides the wow factor of, oh my God, I love this house, it's gorgeous, it's the home of my dreams, whether you're building it from the ground up with companies like Livingstone Design and Build, which is a super eco amazing company and they do the most beautiful work, or maybe you're finding something that really needs some hardcore TLC, or maybe you're just walking in and finding a home that you think is already perfect. It's beautifully and tastefully done and designed and modeled and staged and all of that. No matter what side of the house hunting experience you're on, the fact is you want the best value, you want the most beauty, but here's what we all really, really, really want. We want something that's healthy to live in. And that's kind of the issue with a lot of new building these days, right? They're putting in products that you're like, oh, that's so cool, it's moisture repellent and all of that. But is it really, and is it worth it? Because how they make those products and what those products really are, the effect and the impact they're going to have on your family long term, we just don't really know, do we? So in this upcoming series, we're going to take a little bit of a deeper look, because ironically, just because something is beautiful and modern doesn't mean it's healthy. And you can actually, on any budget and in any part of this country, take some simple steps to make your living environment healthier, not just beautiful. I'm really excited to be on this journey with you. So today we're going to go look at one of those houses and see what it would take to turn it into something beautiful and healthy, because it can be both. From seed to solutions, welcome to My Happy Hempster Home, because home is wherever we build, design, and thrive in